What we're going to only be able to do is look at slides. So I have some slides for you to look at. You know, we do have this beautiful slough out behind the building, but unfortunately it's just not safe to go back there. So instead, we'll have to look at slides. But wouldn't it be great to be able to get back there and get some samples to bring back to the science lab and look at live Daphnia and live Volvox? Imagine what that would be like. Close your eyes. Let's just imagine. Help it. Hey, it's the slough. Cool. Look, birds, trees, water. We can get our samples now. That would be great. We can bring them back to the science lab. Yes. How fun.
My name is Joe Dubeck. I'm Superintendent of Palos Consolidated School District 118. We serve over 1,800 students in the Palos area. The Nature Preserve Community Park project is directly related to our mission statement to provide a quality, safe, environmental experience for students. Your support of the project will enable us to help our children become stewards of the environment and provide a natural area for our community now and into the future. Thank you for your support.